from the hollers and the hills of West Virginia. It's Heavenly Hills Homestead with another episode. Stay tuned. Guys, so this morning we're going to transplant 2 giant cucumbers, 12.9 browns, into these right here. We're going to cut them so just like that and fill them up with dirt and plant them in there. So let's get it done. Alright guys, that's what they look like right now. Getting them out before they get root bound is very important. Alright, so we got it out. It's not root bound yet. Look, starting to curl. You can see it starting to curl around the bottom of the cup. It's a perfect time to get it and switch it over. Look at that root system. That root system's beautiful looking. Looks wonderful. It'll do real good in this right here. So let's get it transferred over. Okay guys, I gently get the roots untangled and going in the right direction. They're going down now. So now I'll dig down into there, get them roots going down deep. That way they're not still growing in a circle, they'll go down now. Okay, if at all possible, when you can do it, you need to tease the roots apart gently and then face them going downward in the direction you want them to grow. That way they don't take a few days adjusting to themselves and grow out of the circle that they are, okay? So this should help them. And you see that one almost is, it's probably close to a foot long now. So, all right, guys, let's get it planted up and watered in. The second one, just a little bit behind on the root development. It looks like still has a good set of roots on there. Just a little bit behind on root development. That's okay. They look really good. We're gonna get them turned over and apart. Get them facing downward and get them transplanted as well. So let's get it done. As you can see, root development is nowhere near what the root development was over on that plant. It's not that it's a bad plant, it just doesn't have the root development yet, so that'll come along this week. We did get it in time, just like the other one. It wasn't root bound or anything, so it'll be good. It'll really crank up hopefully this week and start turning out some really nice, healthy, big plants. So let's get it planted up. I'm gonna do a little work in here today. I'm gonna be hanging some stuff up here on the wall to run strings down so that things can climb. We got to get some strings for this to climb because it's ready to take off right there. So we're gonna have to plant them. So we're gonna plant them and we're gonna run the strings so they can start to climb. All right. We got to put strings out for these peas so they can climb up, and we got to transplant all these peppers and whatever else we got. All those eggplants. So let's get to it. So we got our giant cucumbers hanging up over there, and they're going up to the wall. So hopefully that'll help some. I don't know, we'll see. I think it's secured enough, but time will tell. That daggone plant there is running crazy. And so is that other sunflower. It's doing pretty good too. So we'll have to raise up the lights again. Let's Running them up, running them up, running them up. So, got some more planting to do. Got those potted up, which are the eggplants. And now we'll start potting up some more stuff and continuing on with our schedule. See what we got going on there. Yeah, the tomatoes looking good. All right. Pull this cotyledon off here. It's not doing any good. Beautiful looking. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Planted that tomato in there. Did get it watered in. It is the 2.2 cook, which was a 5.56. Also going to plant one of the 7.35 browns into a milk jug so it can get the growing good and everything. So, yep, just trying to make room for everything. And there's an eggplant right there. So, all right, guys, let's get some more work done. All right, guys, what have we done here? You say, Ryan, there is something going on. Something is amiss. Something looks different. Well, let's do it. Let's do the walkthrough here. Get my little pointer here. I need a laser pointer. Mexican sour gherkins, 2 of them, right there. The 12.9 brown cucumber and another 12.9 brown cucumber right here. I'm gonna have to trim that leaf off or something, I think. Yeah, we'll see. Anyhow, right there it is, 12.9 brown. All right, this is the can't remember the name of it, but it's a giant sunflower, like 26-foot sunflower, right there. Here is my sunflower strain, right there. That's the one that's the state record. Looking really good. Super wide. It's over 2 foot wide, and it's right at 20 inches tall. So it's doing really good. Got some more of my Clements tomatoes right here. No, I'm not putting that Barbie doll stuff on. You can do it, Kira. Okay, in a minute I'll do it. These are Brad's carrot. This is a Brad's Crazy Cherry. I'm going to try to grow it in here until I can't grow it no more in there. Okay, we'll see how big it gets. I'll probably end up having to put it in a 1-gallon tub. You can see my huge green bean plant, or not a green beans. I don't even know what you call it. It's a real big bean that the neighbors have that you can eat like a green bean, or you can dry it out like a butter bean or a lima bean. I don't know what it's called. They don't know what it's called. They just know it's been around for like 150 years. Anyhow, sweet potatoes looking very, very good now. Very proud of those. We have a dark cucumber right back through there. We have right there at the tip of my pointer, right there, is a large barred board tomato plant. Let's see what else we have. We have eggplant right there. Of course, we got our kohlrabis right here. We pulled a kohlrabi last night. We have one of my 2.2 cooks right there growing, right here. We have our regular Kennebec potato that came from my dad's 2-pound, 10-ounce potato. It's growing right there. We also have another one of those potatoes growing right there. See, it's looking very good since I moved it. These are, is that a peach tomato? I think it's a peach tomato. Let me see. Yep, peach tomatoes. We have found our first casualty of war. No, you're not a casualty. Get in there. Bury yourself in the dirt. Crazy. Why are y'all trying to come out of there? There you go. Stay covered. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Why aren't y'all burying yourselves, goof troops? You're supposed to be digging in the dirt. Anyhow, we have carrot, and carrots. We have the 7.35 brown right here, 7.35 brown right here. Lettuce, the Delice de Table, Prescott Farm Blanc, our big, beautiful black pearl pepper. I do have black pearl pepper seeds for sale. They're $5 a pack of 10. $5 a pack of 10 for those black pearl peppers. That right there is what it looks like. I have germinated them and they are growing well. Peach tomato right here. 1, 2, and 3 more of my 5.46 tomato plants, which are the 2.2s. We have plenty of peppers growing back here. We have got all these germinated. Beans are looking, or the peas rather, are looking good on this pot. More lettuce, cilantro back there on the wall, and tons and tons and tons of hot peppers that I've got no more room for and have to start finding homes for. We have to find homes, guys. Find homes. If you want to buy some, get a hold of me, and we'll get you on the list for what you want. There's peach ghosts, there's peach reapers, there's big gems, there's jigsaws, there's bueno mulatas, there's Anaheims, there's poblanos, there's every stinking thing that I could think of in there. Draculas and jalapeno, pumpkin spice, and just all kinds of weird names for stuff. Anyhow, it's all in there. It's all growing. It's all doing well. And within the next couple weeks, we should be able to sell it. Here is the rest of our tomatoes. Red crazy cherries there, and the rest of our, that's a hot pepper. I get that put up there. These are eggplants right here. So anyhow, that's what we got going on. This is what we've done. Fixing it up today in here, potting everything up. So it's all looking pretty well, and yep, looks really good. So we'll get off of here and yeah, start everything afresh tomorrow. If it ain't snowing us in and icing. Said we got like 7 to 12 inches of glazing ice. I have no idea what glazing ice is. I'm 37 and I've never heard of it. But it doesn't sound like something I want to find out. Okay? So, anyhow. Guys, we appreciate you watching. And we'll see you tomorrow right here in the Hollers and Hills of West Virginia.
Don't forget to smash that like button. Hit that notification bell. Don't forget to share.
Thank you, good sir.
You're welcome. And subscribe.